Okay, so this is a scenario that I'd like you to give a go. I want you to just create what I'm highlighting right now. Just that. Pause the video, give it a go. Okay, so we've got a movie streaming service which has arrays. It's got one array which has got user IDs. Oh no, where did that go? Thank you. User IDs, unique identifier. So let's use that as an integer. User IDs equals, sorry, I can't type today. Let's do 4, 2, 1. 3 user IDs, cool. User watch history. So I'm gonna need 3 rows, 1 row per user. So this is gonna be for user 4, this is gonna be for user 2, and this is gonna be for user 1, which will have the different IDs of movies they've watched. So let's imagine they've watched this person movie 5, movie 3, movie 1. This person has watched movie 8, so movie 9, movie 2, movie 0, no that's stupid, 44. 66, 67, 68. And I should have put an equal sign here. So, user ID 4 has watched these 3 movies, 531. 2 has watched 924, and user 1 has watched 66, 67, 68. Okay. I want you to now do this. Total users, total movies. So total users and total movies. Pause the video, give it a go. Okay, so I'm going to make a variable called total users. I'm going to do it as the length of user IDs. Makes sense. That should be a little U. So it's basically saying we've got 3 users registered on our website. Total movies, I'm just going to make up that number. So total movies equals, and we could have in total, let's say, 100 different movies. Nice and simple. The next thing we want to do is do task 1. So pause the video and give that a go. Calculate the total number of movies watched by each user. So pause the video, give it a go. Okay, what I'm going to do is the following for this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a for loop, I in range, and we're going to give the length of user IDs. The issue we've got is that each row can have different amount of movies. So we can have this person watching 6, 32, 99. So we can't just simply do for x in range length of user watch history and leave it like that. Because that's just going to go, we've got 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. So we can't do that. We can't do this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This loop, the inner loop 6 times, because this has only got 3 movies. This has got 4. So we can't do that. So I'm going to show you another trick, and you're only going to use this if you're dealing with a situation where you've got each row having a different amount. So most of the questions you're going to face is the same amount. Then user watch history, and then I'm going to do I, and that's going to basically count the amount we've got inside the row instead. So instead of it going 1, 2, 3, whenever it loops the inner loop, it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to go through that. So if I was to now calculate the total number of movies watched by each user, I'm going to simply do a total. I'm then just going to make my total equal whatever x is. So by the end of the loop, it will give me a total for each person. So it should say 4, 3, and then 6. But remember, we're starting on 0, so I'm going to do total plus 1 in this situation. So 4 movies, 3 movies, and 6 movies. So that's what we've got so far. So all we're doing is we're counting how many movies are in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's what x is doing. X is 0, then it's 1, then it's 2, then it's 3. And it's going to then be displayed. Then it goes to the next row, then the next row. Okay, let's go back to what we want to do with the challenge. Okay. Output for each user, the user ID, total number of movies watched, and their viewing habits. Easy. So let's do their user ID. So I'm simply going to do print, and I can't type, the user ID is, and then I'm going to do user IDs. Hi. So now watch. I'm going to put this into a sentence. The amount of movies watched is and it now needs me to do the viewing habit category, and that is based on this. So it might make sense to put total equals total plus 1, and then just do this, because I'm going to need to use this for my if statement. So if total is greater than 20, it's saying that they are a binge watcher. And if total is greater than 9 and less than 21. Greater than 9 and total is less than 21. Print, what was it? A casual watcher or regular viewer? Else print casual viewer. So for each one, it should say casual viewer, casual viewer, casual viewer, because they haven't watched many movies. Let's have this person watch a few more movies. Casual viewer, binge viewer. Finally, we're going to calculate, store, and output the number of users in each category. So I'm just simply going to create a variable called binge equals 0, casual equals 0, and regular equals 0. Binge equals binge plus 1. Regular equals regular plus 1. Casual equals casual plus 1. And then let's display it at the end. Print the amount of binge watchers are binge. Print the amount of casual watchers are casual, and print the amount of regular watchers are regular. Yep, that is perfect. Happy days. We are done.